Hello everybody, in today's tutorial we'll be going over how to buy the FEG token using the Pancakeswap. It's going to be a very simple and very straightforward tutorial. Try to stick around to the end. Today's video is going to be a very simple tutorial. Let's get started already. So the first thing and the most simple thing you're going to first of all do is make sure you have metamask wallets or any of the supported wallets in the Pancakeswap. As you can see, there's a lot of wallets supported. Make sure you have that extension downloaded in Google Chrome or whatever browser you're using. So the second thing you have to make sure, so for example, you're using metamask, go to one of our videos and make sure to import the Binance Smart Chain network. After that, send your BNB, BUSD or whatever token you're using to that address and you will receive it right here in your metamask. And after doing that, it's going to be very simple and very straightforward. All you have to do, hit connect wallet, choose your extension. In this case, it's gonna be metamask, and as you can see, it's already showing my BNB balance. I'm gonna go to the home page. So after you go and search Pancakeswap, go for trade swap, click it right here, and then head to CoinMarketCap or the official website of the token. So we're using CoinMarketCap here just for safety purposes because maybe someone is having a similar website to FEG and we don't want to buy the mistaken token. So click here in more. As you can see, you're gonna find Binance Smart Chain BIP20 address, which is the one we're gonna look for. Click on it. As you can see, it took us right here, but we're just gonna copy the address. So go back here to the swap, choose the cake, and then paste it right here. Choose the token you want to import, which is this one, import it. Click I understand, import, and you're good to go. Basically, I'm gonna click max. It's going to show my BNB balance and click swap, and that's it for today's tutorial, guys. I hope you enjoyed this. It's, as I said, pretty straightforward and a pretty simple tutorial. Peace.